Hi, my name is Sondosi Tole from Pinnacle of Hope. As you can see, today I want to share with you what I've been experiencing in my garden with the scraps from potatoes that I buy from the vegetable shop. Yes, guys, in my garden there's a lot of clay, which is good for other plants, but there are those plants where you would have to prepare the soil. In other words, put some sand and mix with compost, because then if the soil has too much clay in other plants, like as in potatoes do not really like a soil that has too much clay. So I usually mix it a bit so that it's conducive for me to be able to plant my potatoes in it. However, potatoes are not that fussy at the same time. Yeah, guys, this is obviously not my video. I stole the video somewhere else. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you that you can also plant your potatoes in buckets or baths. There are some people who plant their potatoes in plastic bags. There's quite a lot of ways or other places where you can plant your potatoes. Yeah, so this was just to show you that you can still use other things to plant your potatoes. Yay, guys! This is another part of my garden. Right at the end of the video, I will be showing you my gardener busy harvesting some potatoes, but this is not the part. This is just another part. That part is close to some sunflowers that I had already planted. So next to the sunflowers, I got a bit of space where I was able to put those scraps of potatoes. Yeah, so another thing is that potatoes, you can plant them anywhere. You can even plant them next to your flowers. You know why? Because if you can have a look at the potato plant, look at how beautiful it looks like. It's not a problem at all, and it also releases flowers. The only time where you will find that your garden does not look that nice, which is why I did not show you the other plants, because there it's already messy, because we had already harvested some potatoes there. Yeah, guys, as you can see there on top is my gardener harvesting the potatoes that we have planted from the scraps. Yeah, honestly speaking, I've never bought any seeds for potatoes. This is how we have always planted our potatoes. Yeah, so you can do it. You can have your own potatoes in the garden. Guys, as you can see there on top is my garden. Yeah, look at my potatoes. Look at how big they are. One thing about planting your potatoes in your own garden, you will find that they will come in different sizes. Yeah, but I'm happy with what I have harvested. I've got a number of patches in my garden where I've planted these potatoes, and they do not ripe at the same time, because obviously I do not put them in the garden at the same time. Whenever I feel like it, I get the scraps. I see that there's a lot of seedlings growing on my potatoes. I just cut what I can use for seeds, and then put them in the ground, look for space wherever in the ground, prepare the soil, put my scraps there, and then after a while, this is what I am able to harvest. Just think about it. Free food that you have not bought, you just go and harvest from your garden. Yeah, before I forget to mention this, how you see that your potatoes are ready to be harvested is when the leaves start turning brown. And also the flowers are also an indication. When you see flowers coming out, it's also an indication that your potatoes are about to get ready to be harvested. Yeah, but mainly when you see the leaves turning brown, it means that your potatoes are ready to be harvested. Yeah, guys, these are sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are in the same family as your normal potatoes. So they usually also have some islets, or what you can call some seedlings. Are they called seedlings? Let me say islets. Ne? So those islets that you see on your sweet potatoes or your potatoes are the ones that you can use. You can cut them off and start planting them. Yeah, the reason why I love this family of plants is because I use them as my starches. Because I've decided to minimize on eating boma rice and other starches. I lean more on eating boma sweet potatoes, butternut, and potato for my starch. Potato bake. Look at how beautiful this is. And this is a full meal, healthy as ever. Yeah. Scrumptious. Look at this. This is one of my favorite ways of serving or eating potatoes. Yeah. These are wedges, potato wedges that you can make for yourself at home. Look at how beautiful this is. Delicious. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Yeah, see you next time. I love you.